like lemonade.
It's gonna be kind of tangy, kind of sweet, and it'll be kind of light pink from the red color of the berries.
Ooh, like pink. My favorite color.
My name is Nico Albert. I'm a Cherokee Nation citizen and I'm a chef here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I'm taking my stepdaughter Chloe to an urban wilderness area and we're gonna go pick some sumac to make Indian lemonade. It's incredibly important to pass these recipes and these food traditions down to future generations. Food is so strongly tied to memory. When you sit down at a table and you eat certain foods, you can remember those foods that you ate as a child. And these foods that we're making are memories from the generations before us, and they'll carry on to generations in the future. I picked this wild sumac today to make what we call Indian lemonade, or sumac lemonade. The Cherokee people are originally from the eastern woodlands area. With the Trail of Tears, they were removed to Oklahoma, which at the time was Indian territory. They were put into a new land where they were not finding the same plants that they were accustomed to. But there are still some similarities in what you can find in the wild here in Oklahoma. One of those things is sumac. So the outside of this berry has a red shell that has a little bit of a fuzz on it, and that has this really tangy, astringent kind of flavor. And so when you soak it with water, it creates this beautiful, tangy, refreshing drink. And I'm just sweetening this with a little bit of honey. This will take a little bit of the edge off the really tart flavor that these berries add. And that's sumac lemonade. Yeah, that's good. Okay, here we go. All right, cheers. Sumac lemonade.